welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna give you guys the most updated makeup routine. This is like my everyday glam. I'm blonde now, so it also looks a lot more soft. I think that if I had my black hair, this would look so much more dramatic. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel because we are so close to 70k, and this video is also my 100th video that I've ever filmed and edited and posted onto YouTube. So happy 100th video day, I guess. Let's just get into the video. So I already did my hair because honestly, like, my hair takes forever to do. Really weird. I usually don't do that. It's not part of my routine. Let's talk about skin prep. I feel like that's the most important part of my makeup, and I feel like that's so cliche to say because like that's what everybody says, but it's the truth. I did wash my face and then I used this mask right here. I am absolutely in love with it. It has minimized my pores and my blackheads, and I can just always rely on this. After that, I use the Hyaluronic B5 by La Roche-Posay. I love this, it's amazing. And then I use this by Caudalie as well. This is their Radiance Serum, and I love the way this smells. It smells so good. To seal it all in and to really get nice, perfect base, this has been amazing to me. This is the Snail Mucin Power Essence by CosRx. Everybody's been talking about this on like TikTok, and I've been using this for years. I finally just hopped back on to using it again. I'm gonna reapply this because my skincare has actually been sitting on my skin for a little too long and it's not going to give me my base that I want. I'm going to be taking the Thermal Spring Water by La Roche-Posay, and I'm just going to spray this on my face. So when applying this, your face still needs to be somewhat wet or damp so that it can seal in the moisture. I heard this apparently helps with like pollution as well. Look at how sticky this is. I'm just gonna apply that. I'm gonna use this Born This Way foundation, and I pump it onto my hand before I put it on my face. I'm just gonna warm this up on the back of my hand. And I literally just like kind of rub this in. I used to never do this, like rub it in with my fingers like this. I just feel like this works for some reason. Weird. This does not match my forehead, but it literally matches everywhere else. Trust the process. Now I'm gonna take a wet beauty blender and I'm gonna blend this out. So I'm gonna blend this up into my hairline. If I do not like the way that my foundation is sitting for the day, the rest of my makeup is like not gonna go well. This does brighten your eyes a lot, obviously because I have it in like a shade that's super bright. So I just place here, here. And then also anywhere that I need a little more coverage, I just place it in places that I need to brighten, obviously. I always make sure I brighten this part of my face. I look like a white ghost right now. I do want to bring some warmth to my face, so I'm going to be using this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Chestnut. This is low-key hot. The powder that I use usually kind of like lightens up a lot of like the cream product I put on, which is such a lifesaver in my opinion. Man, I swear I always forget to put my contacts in, which sucks. I hate when my eyes are watery when I'm doing my makeup. By the way, these contacts are by Hapa Kristen. They are my favorite contacts. These are literally the contacts you can see in like every single one of my TikToks. Okay, usually I use this as my blush, but I kind of want to try this. This is by Tower 28. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I usually bring my like blush high and then more in. You guys know I usually take blush and put it on my eyelids. That, and then I put some here on my forehead. Oh my god, I'm freaking loving this. Why is this so gorgeous? Powder's easy. I use this. This is amazing. This is the Beauty Bakery setting powder, And I'm actually gonna set my face and then bake because I feel like my makeup looks a lot smoother that way. I literally just take this little guy here and I'm just going to set around my eyes. I have really oily lids. I used to have problems with like my eyeliner kind of like traveling down, but I no longer have that problem because I switched my eyeliner. I'm setting this everywhere. Set my eyebrows and my forehead. Take a little mini beauty blender here, dip it in some powder, and I'm gonna set my eyes. And I feel like this is what really makes my look the look. Is like I have the brightest like under eyes. Like, do you guys like to see the difference from that to that? Obviously, like this is baking, but I also put powder on the sides of my nose here, and this kind of just creates a natural like shadow in a way. I also like to make sure I brightened here on my face. It's really important. I don't know, this might look like a lot of powder, but like I get really oily. I look crazy, I look insane, I know. Okay, after that I'm just gonna take this brush again and I'm just gonna blend all of that bake off. We're gonna quickly do my eyebrows. You guys know my #1 rule about eyebrows is make sure you brush out all that product that is in your eyebrows. I feel like this kind of just makes sure that like whenever you're applying product to your eyebrows that it's on a clean base. Now that I'm blonde, my favorite thing to do is powdered brows because this is like the only shade that like makes me look normal. And if I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I have given less attention when it comes to my eyebrows these days. Like I don't even conceal them anymore. I'm just kind of like whatever. I feel like powder brows just kind of give you a softer look. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the brows. If I want to go like a little extra, then I'll just put some brow gel in. Are you guys on Threads? Because like I keep getting Thread notifications and low-key it's starting to get annoying. I low-key feel bad for like not like standing up and doing my eyebrows, but like I literally can't see. I feel like this blush is a little not pink enough. This is more peachy, whereas like I kind of need it to be a little more pink. I just feel like this is the perfect shade of pink, but I just need a little more color. Yeah, I like to make sure my nose is pretty pink. And now I'm just gonna apply some like highlighter. I usually do like my entire face before I start touching like my eyes now. I think it's just faster and easier. I was looking at like old photos of me like when I was a child, and I swear my nose used to be so freaking huge, right? And I think my face just got wider, so now my nose looks and appears like a lot like smaller. I'm taking a black waterliner here and I'm just lining my eyes. And this just gives me more definition. Honestly, you can do this on the daily just to give your eyes like a little more detail. This has been my new favorite eyeliner. This shit will not budge, okay? Like, it will not budge. It will not move. Like, I've gone underwater with this and this has not come off. This is the one that looks like this. Not the brush pen one, you know what I mean? Like, the one where you just take off the cap from the top. That one is not waterproof. Like, I'm sorry to tell you guys, but I will say this is a lot harder. So if you're a beginner, do not try to use this. It's very difficult. Even for me, I still struggle doing this. So I'm just gonna start in the middle of my eye. And I kind of look at my crease. So you guys see my crease is like right here. And it goes down. I actually like to go to the side like a lot, because if I go down my eyes look weird. Like, I don't know. You guys know my favorite trick to like brightening my eye is using a tan or like neutral colored eyeliner pencil, waterliner pencil. It's just not as harsh as like putting white on your, what the? I'm gonna take my eyebrow pen like spoolie and I'm gonna see if this will come off. Look, it's gone. Oh my god, I didn't think that was gonna work, but it worked. I'm gonna take a little itty bitty brush like this and stick it in this contour here, and I'm gonna do my egg yolk sole. I just kind of squint and apply. So if it usually doesn't show up, I'll take the bronzer and I'll literally just like put it in there too. Let's do our bottom lashes. I'm gonna take the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara, and I just put one cut of this on because I like the way this separates my lower lashes. And I'm gonna take the Telescopic Mascara and we're gonna coat these babies. And the very last part is lashes. I will link these down below for you guys because I swear everybody's been asking about my lashes and I've been talking about it a lot, yet people are still asking. These are from Amazon. They're the best. I feel like this gives me the exact look that I like. My anime girl lashes, you know. This is better than all the other ones I've tried. Pop some glue here. This is easiest with a tweezer. These are like little, so you're gonna have to like kind of work fast. I'm just dipping this in. Okay. Blow on it. And I like to place my lash literally on my eyeliner. I no longer place my like lashes all the way down here because it droops my eyes really bad. By the way, I use black glue. This just hides and it's a lot easier. Like I feel like if I did it with clear, you would see it. In my opinion, clear glue will definitely show up white, especially if it's like starting to peel or something. Sometimes it doesn't come out perfect, but it's literally because I need a new set of these. So I'm gonna take this lip pencil in the color Natural. This is by NYX, by the way. And this is usually my favorite like lip liner. And then I'm gonna take this, which is the shade Madeline in the Butter Gloss. Yeah, this is just a nude lip gloss, but it's like not super shiny, which I really like. Here is the final look for you guys. Super sweet looking. I don't know if it's just my hair or if it's just because I'm wearing pink and like everything's kind of themed out pink today. Go Barbie. But if you guys stay tuned to the end, make sure you guys go and check out my other videos because there's a lot of other videos that I have. Go watch my New York vlog, my LA vlog, and I will see you guys with another video probably this week. Yeah.
The boy is mine.